How's it going? How's it going? This is Kevin Smith with Drive by Faith Transport Services. The nature of this video is that recently I've been getting a lot of questions in regards to people want me to mentor them, get them information. But what I will say, moving forth, guys, I will continue to put videos out there, but I cannot take time out of my schedule when people are taking advantage of my time and I'm giving them information. People telling me that they would pay for my time and they never call me back, right? Or I call them back and they're not answering my call. So moving forth, guys, you have a couple of people out there not serious about information, not serious about time. And I have several people have called me, and I have even got them in a position to get contracts, to get vehicles, and they wasn't ready. So if you're not ready and you're not serious, guys, I just ask you to take the time to look at my videos, take time to text me on the YouTube channel, and I will answer those questions. But guys, I no longer can give you one-on-one information or two to you without charging, because I just have too much other things and other business ventures to take time and take money away from my other opportunities. So I will be having a website being designed, and that website will have block of time where if you want to be mentored by me, or you want information how to grow your business, you book the time and you pay for the block of time. I will be having books coming out. And also, I'm working with brokerage companies to become a broker, to be able to book loads for truck drivers primarily, and people with straight trucks. So look forward to that. But I just had to put it out there, guys. I no longer can give my time out without being compensated for it. And so the nature of these videos, almost 90% of the time when guys want information, they don't even take time to look at the videos, because probably 90% of the time what they asking for is in the videos. They want to take time for me to explain something that I already have in my videos. So I apologize. I hope nobody is offended, but I do have a family I have to feed, and I just can't continue to keep on giving one-on-one service without being compensated for it. I hope you understand. Yeah, and that's it, guys. Enjoy your holidays. Be safe, and take care.